What's up, trader? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down our new indicator, the Fib Pro. This indicator breaks down the Fibonacci tool and automatically places those lines and levels for us. So whenever the conditions are met, we will then get the lines and levels that you see here. We'll get the information on the table on the left, and we will get these tags on the right, letting us know the price, the percentage away from the price or current price we're sitting at now, and whether it's above or below the current price. We also integrated the color changing lines to this indicator. We're going to see these lines color red whenever those targets have been met. So if we rewind this a little bit back to say this level here, we'll see when that indicator was plotted onto the chart. So if we hit play, you guys will see exactly what happens here. And there it is. And now as we're hitting these targets, they're going to shift to red. So you can see we hit this target, hit this target. Now we're looking for the golden target, 161% up. That would be 484. Hit play. And you can see as we hit that target, we will turn red. And there it is. So now we're basically letting you know that you already hit those targets. We're looking for new targets if you're in this trade or you're looking to stop out on the pullback against our other indicators. So I'm using this in conjunction with other indicators, of course, our Pivot Pro and the confirmation support and resistance. What I mostly use it for myself, guys, is I'm looking for those projected targets. So if I'm in the trade as it's breaking out over here, I have these lines and levels as projected targets for me to take profit into. That way I'm ensuring that I stay green on my trades. If sometimes I don't take profit soon enough, sometimes it pulls back sharply, and before I know it, I'm actually in a loss on that trade when I could have been taking profit before that. So these lines and levels will automatically plot on our chart whenever conditions have been met, and the conditions that we're looking for typically is one of these candles that just explodes in price action. That's when our Fibonacci tool works best. That's when it's going to plot the information automatically on the chart, and we can go from there. So if we start to break out above this golden level, I have the 526 as my next target. So 484, 526, we know $5 being whole dollar test. We hit $5 as a high and pulled back. So we know exactly what we're looking for. So if we break out of $5, 526 would be my target. If we break out of 526 and 550, my target would be 595. So again, using this to aid in those entries and exits, mostly exits on my trades. And this table on the left-hand side is going to let us know what targets have we hit already. We hit target 1, target 2, and the golden target. So now at this point, we're looking for possible projected targets here, but of course, we're looking to take profit. And the way I look at it is target 1, I take some profit. Target 2, I take the bulk of the profit. Target 3, that's when I'm pretty much out of my trade and holding a very small sliver of that trade left if I'm still in the trade at all and not taking profit into our golden profit target there. So T1, T2, golden, that's where I'm taking profit. If we get anything more than that, that's just icing on the cake. Love it when it happens. And yes, sometimes I'm in during those type of trades. I think last week we had a 40% trade. Awesome. Love it. But that's not when I'm holding the full position. Taking profit into these predetermined levels on the way up. That's going to be our Fib Pro tool, Auto Fib Pro tool here, our 2025 edition. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in Discord. I'll be in the Discord. Ask those questions and hopefully we can clear that up for you. But I use this again in conjunction with our Pivot Pro, our volume indicator down below, and the confirmation, support, and resistance. Guys, thank you for taking some time to invest into your learning. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.